DeFi money printer here, episode 3 of ZEN Do It! Horizen featuring Tokenmint live on Mainnet. Let's do it. Live on Mainnet. ZEN Do It. Let's do it. What is Tokenmint? I mean, it's in the name. So Tokenmint is its own sidechain on Horizen's ZEN sidechain interoperability, Internet of Blockchains protocol. There's a chain dedicated to being able to mint your own token using custom tokenomics and without any developer knowledge at all. You can launch a token in just a few minutes. Takes few steps to get ZEN. Must be on exchanges, fiat gateways, and no account, no KYC, swap pages, simple swap, change now, transact. Refer to official project resources, Horizen.io/exchanges. You can see all the different places you can get ZEN. It's a lot. It's called Horizen Global for a reason. ZEN, ZEN, native asset of the Horizen blockchain. Only real ZEN in crypto is Horizen. No token contract. It is the mainnet currency of Horizen. A wallet, not your keys, not your crypto. Take custody of your own crypto. Purchase through Ledger, Crypto Steel Capsule, and a Slate, where you already have the letters and pre-engraved. That's really the maximum security. You're like, house ever burns down, I'll still be able to go get my Crypto Steel and my crypto. Blog post here on Tokenmint. Cobalt wallet link is right here in that blog.horizen.io/tokenmint-is-live-on-mainnet. The link to the Chrome store there. Wallet will work on any Chromium-based browser. So I'm on Brave right now. Does work on Microsoft Edge, Chrome, the one that I never use anymore. Add this extension and set up a wallet. We'll need to set up the Cobalt wallet, connect to the Tokenmint sidechain, which is on Mainnet. We'll need the official Sphere by Horizen wallet. Sphere by Horizen wallet right here. And I did already fund my wallet with a little bit more than 11 ZEN. Now the cost to register a new fungible token on the Tokenmint mainnet is 10 ZEN. And then it costs 1 ZEN to mint. So I am going to be minting a token, creating this tutorial to share out to everyone, show you how easy it is to use Tokenmint and get you excited about the Horizen ecosystem. I am here, ZEN Cash, Horizen OG, back since 2017. Hodl that ZEN. Get some ZEN swag at the swag store. Back to Tokenmint. Have 11.3 ZEN, and that is ZEN on the main chain, which is a proof of work and multi-tiered node hybrid blockchain structure, approaching nearly 50,000 nodes. One of the largest, most distributed networks in crypto. Quite an accomplishment. Build through the bear market here. Keep ZEN doing it. Switch to the Tokenmint chain, with the green icon there. Go into your wallet. Cobalt wallet. I am on Tokenmint sidechain, which is a chain built on ZEN, built on top Horizen main chain. So we are going to have to transfer the main chain ZEN over to the Tokenmint chain, to my wallet address here. Be right back. Busy minting ZCAT. Here's the ZenCat and his owner. Mint some ZCAT. The Sphere wallet with these at the same time. Pop this one up. So we got the Sphere over here. Cobalt wallet. We're on the Tokenmint chain. I'm in my ZCAT wallet. So we want to copy the address from Cobalt here on the Tokenmint chain. The Sphere wallet doing here is we're going to make a withdrawal to a sidechain forward transfer transaction from the Horizen blockchain sidechain transaction. To withdraw, it's the red box with the arrow pointing up, and you're going to click there. So I'm sending a sidechain transaction to the Tokenmint chain mainnet address. We're going to send the maximum here just to make sure we have 10 ZEN to register the fungible token, and it is 1 ZEN, minting the standard ZEN fee 0.0001. Let's do it. Always confirm you have the right addresses. There's malware out there that can attack your clipboard. Make sure you have the same address showing over here. Double check it. Make sure you have the right amounts, the right chain. Confirm here. Be right back. Busy minting ZCAT on Horizen Tokenmint. We're here on explore.horizen.io. Explore for the Horizen mainnet. Back to the process here. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Let's go! We're catching up in the race! We gotta win the race for the ZCAT. Tokenmint. We're here. Quick and easy token launch for anyone. No developer skills needed. Custom tokenomics. Fully transparent and provable. How to create a token. We already got the wallet. We already fueled the wallet. Let's launch the token. I am connected. Making some ZCAT. ZCAT. ZenCat is the token name. ZCAT is the symbol. Cats, they got 9 live. 99999. The exclusive ZCAT club. There's only 99,999 cats have 9 lives. But ZCATs, we got 99,999 mintable. Burnable. We do not want a unlimited supply. Maximum decimals. I'm gonna confirm. Token declare. We're still having fun. Tokenmint's on mainnet. What's not to have fun about? All right, well, we just had the congratulations screen. So we declared the ZCAT as token. Finished the process here. Tokens. And these are not these are the ones that are minted so far. So getting a ZCAT exclusive club of cool cats on the ZEN blockchain, the Tokenmint chain on ZenDo. ZenDo it. Let's get it done. To finish minting, we do need to mint to our address here. So we're going to mint 99,000. You have the custom decimals. I had to type in 5 9s and then all zeros. Just a little bit confusing there for the average user. There is a way to make that a little bit easier. Would recommend that. Part of the reason making this video is for feedback and improvements. We're going to mint our 99,999 ZCAT. Congratulations, token minted. All right, got ZenCat. ZenCat pending. Let's go. ZenCat. Be right back. Busy minting ZCAT on Horizen Tokenmint. Going back here to see status. All right. So pending 99,999 ZCAT. There we go. We got 99,999 ZCAT on the Tokenmint main chain. Mission accomplished. Let's go, ZenDo! DeFi money printer. I'm out.